Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm video. I've actually been subscribed to BoxyCharm for the last couple of months after being on a 1.5 million long wait list. But I wanted to do a BoxyCharm video because I only see a few YouTubers that do them, and I do think BoxyCharm is actually a really cool subscription. Like I said, I've been subscribed for a few months and I've gotten like a lot of cool products in the box, and I wanted to start doing these videos monthly, so every time I get the box, I will show you what's in it, if I'm keeping all the products, why I'm keeping the products, and I will try them for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I got in the box was this Butter London Double Decker Lash Mascara. Now, I love the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, so I had high hopes for this because this is a high-end mascara and I believe this is $20. So I tried it today when putting on my makeup, and what I did was I did this eye was just the Butter London mascara, and then this eye was the Lash Paradise. Now, after I put on my makeup and I wore it for a little bit and I let it dry, I noticed that, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise side. This eye does not have as much volume as this side. Now, that to me, I'm like, oh, god damn it. Because this is $20. And I hate to say it, but I feel that like drugstore mascara has been where it's at recently. Like, I can't find a high-end mascara that does what my $12 mascara does, and my favorite mascara still to this day is the Dior Blackout, and even then I think my L'Oreal Lash Paradise has beaten that because that one flakes and this one doesn't. So this one, I'm sorry to say, is kind of like a dud. I really don't like this product. I'll continue to use it. I'll probably use it for my eyebrows, but yeah, I really don't, I'm not thrilled with this, and I'm so upset because I wanted to try another high-end mascara and this just kind of meh. I'm like, nah, it's alright. So next thing that I got in the box was this Pretty Vulgar blush. Now, I had never heard of this brand until I opened the box, and I saw, first of all, that this blush was 26 bucks. Now, I looked online, and they actually sell this in Sephora. I guess that this is new because they don't have it in the Sephora by me, or the Sephoras that I go to, but I couldn't believe how much this blush was. First of all, it's really pigmented, which for a lot of people, I guess, that's a good thing. For me, not so much. I really don't like pigmented blushes because I tend to make myself look like a clown when I use a pigmented blush. Like, I'll dunk my brush in, tap off the excess, and go in, and then there'll be a giant like blush blot right on my face. So I tend to go a little overboard, so I really don't like really pigmented blushes too much. But this is the cheapest packaging I think I've ever seen for a $26 blush. Like, this is cheap plastic. Like, I couldn't believe that this was $26, and I couldn't believe that they sold this in Sephora. I would not pay $26 for this, absolutely not. The product on the inside is good, but for 26 bucks, I hate to say it, I'm a sucker for packaging, which I think most people are, but this, like, no. Like, what were you thinking? Like, this is not, I mean, it's alright. I'll use it, and then when I'm done with it, I'll probably never purchase it again, because I just don't like the packaging, and I think it's kind of expensive for a blush when my Milani blushes work just as well. So the next thing I wanted to talk about that was in the box this month are these brushes. Now, I'm going to be giving these brushes away. I'm not going to be taking them out. I've actually heard of the Vintage Cosmetics, and it's called the Smoky Eye Brush Set. So I'm actually going to be giving this away to a friend because I have plenty of brushes. I live in a small apartment in Queens, so I really don't have a lot of space to be hoarding makeup and makeup brushes and makeup products, all of that stuff. So I'm actually going to be giving these to a friend, but I've watched several other BoxyCharm videos, Kathleen Lights being one of them. She really liked these brushes, so I hope that you do too, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, next thing in the box was this BoxyCharm and Pure Collaboration palette. Now, this is what the palette looks like. I don't know if you could really see it. It's very, 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 very colorful. I'm really not into palettes like these, specifically because I'm not into like peachy tones, or like, I hate to say it, this blue color right here is absolutely gorgeous, but I would probably never use it because I'm very regular. Like I really like plain, like not plain makeup, but I guess natural looking makeup. I'm really not into going above and beyond that often. So for me, this is probably like, I wouldn't pick this up just if I saw it on the shelf. Like I would think it's pretty, but I would never buy something like this. So this actually will also be going to a friend, so I will not be swatching this. I just wanted to open it and see you guys. I haven't even removed the plastic yet for sanitary reasons, but this will be going to a friend who I know will use this, because I asked her when I got it, and she was like, oh my god, I want it. I'm like, okay. So, but this is a really pretty palette. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and it's vegan. So if you're into that sort of thing and you like these colors, I would definitely recommend this. It's actually a very cool, cute palette. I think this would be great for travel because it is so small and it is lightweight. Okay, the last thing in the box, and I have like 2 other random things to talk about, are these South Man eye gel packets. They reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. So they look like, you have 3 of them. They look like this. I haven't used them yet. And the reason why I haven't used them yet is I'm really not a huge fan of like eye patches. So like they go underneath your eye and they're normally gel and they sit there. What I don't like about them is that they tend to fall off my eye when I'm walking around, because what I like to do with these guys is I'll put them on at night and I'll finish up whatever I'm doing that day or whatever. It could be washing dishes, folding laundry. That's when I like to do stuff like this, when I'm not thinking about it. But I find that these fall off my eye. I've tried one, it was a drugstore brand that just fell off, and that's the reason why I don't use these. I'm a big sheet mask person, opposed to these, because if I'm at least with a sheet mask, I will just lay down and like play on my phone and wear the mask, or these, because like they don't inhibit me from seeing anything. I like to do stuff, and like this doesn't allow me to do that, so I'll keep you posted on these. I'm looking forward to trying them because I heard they smell like roses, and I love the smell of roses. Oh, so good. But I'll let you guys know if they actually do what they're supposed to do, which is reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the area. Puffiness I'm a little skeptical about, because I've tried everything under the sun to get rid of puffiness, and besides like a cream with caffeine in it, I find that's the only thing that works. So we'll see. Okay. So speaking of sheet masks, I was at the drugstore and I was picking up a bunch of stuff. We had to go grocery shopping. By we, I mean Mike and I. And I picked up one of my favorite sheet masks, and I thought I would share it with you because I don't hear anybody on YouTube talking about this, and they're a little pricey for a drugstore sheet mask, but I do feel that they're great and they're good. It's a good quality product, and this is by Neutrogena. This is the Hydra Boost hydrating hydrogel mask. Oh my god, with hyaluronic acid. So this is a full sheet mask, but it is a gel sheet mask. So when you pull it out, it is not going to be that like cotton fiber type sheet mask. It is going to be completely gel. Now what I love about this is that when you put this on, I don't like the way regular sheet masks feel, because when they dry down they get really hard. This doesn't do that. So what this will do is you'll know you're done using it when all of the product kind of dries on the gel and sinks into your skin, and then you pull it off and it doesn't tug at your skin. It's very cooling, so when you put it on, it will take care of any of the puffiness and redness that you have, or irritation. I just love these guys. They have this one, a radiance one, and then a deep cleaning one. Now I've tried all 3, but the hydrating one is definitely my favorite. I would definitely go and check this out. I believe they're at the CVS by me. I want to say they're either $2.45 or $3. Depends. You can always get these on sale and wait for extra care bucks or a coupon, but they're great if you're looking for an interesting, cheap sheet mask. I would definitely check these out. Now the last thing, it's a total random product. This is a lip gloss. I'm normally not into lip glosses. I like matte lips. I'm really not a huge fan of lip glosses because my hair is long and I hate walking outside and having a gust of wind blow into my face and blowing my hair into my lip gloss. It is the biggest pain in the butt. I hope I'm not the only person that thinks that. But this is a very comfortable drugstore lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is in the shade Unreal. Now, this is a perfect nude. I love these. This is the only one that I have so far. I actually have to go back and get more colors. But I do love these guys, specifically because they're not sticky. And by sticky, I mean when you smack your lips together, that stringiness doesn't happen. And not only that they don't dry down, they're not uncomfortable, they have a lot of pigment in them, and they're just, I can't even think of the word, I'm having a brain fart. But they're a great lip gloss. They don't have that stringiness, they're not overly sticky, but that's why I love these guys. And I have not found a good drugstore lip gloss in a very long time. That's why I actually stuck to matte lips, was because they were just easier to find. Were they a pain in the butt to put on, and did they really dry out my lips? Yes, but this doesn't. This hydrates my lips. I love these. They smell so good. They have the best applicator that I've ever seen for a drugstore lip gloss. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a little diamond shape on top, and it has that little hole in the middle so that way it can get more product on. But I do love these, and they do go a long way. Would totally check these out if you're looking for a drugstore lip gloss. I don't hear enough people talking about them. Alright guys, well that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, I'm sitting in my living room on my phone trying to figure out the editing situation. I'm doing my best. Please bear with me on it. I still have to take my computer to Genius and see what's going on with it, but let me know. Just give me a thumbs up if you like this style of video. If not, oh well, I don't know what to tell you. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you next weekend. Bye.